part 2, what we're going to do is going to make some variables. I'm going to make a variable, I'm going to call it cursor. And I'm setting cursor to nothing. So set cursor to nothing. Then I'm going to make 3 stacks. So I'm going to call one stack 1. I'm going to pick another one, call it stack 2. And I'm going to call the third one, call it stack 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring those in there. So stack 1 is a stack. I'm going to go to collections and I'm going to bring in a stack. And then to make life easier and stuff, I'm just going to duplicate this twice. In this one, I'm going to say stack 2 is a stack and stack 3 is a stack. Now, for this, we just need 3 arbitrary values to show that the top, middle, and bottom, just to show we've got different size things. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say in stack, I'm going to increase the size of this, and I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. We could do 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, whatever. We just want to show that one thing. So we just want to show that this is the smallest, next smallest, biggest. Okay, so we've got that and I've got my stacks. Now from this, I've just made them now, just a case of copying what we've got here. So I'm going to say set variables. I'm going to say set cursor to collections, the top of stack, and then because we can't pop here, we've got to set it to the top of stack 1. Top of stack, stack 1, and then we will pop stack 1. Duplicate that, and I'm going to put it in there. So this is basically 2 things. We're saying the top, and then we pop it from there. And then I'm going to say push cursor to stack 3. And I'm going to go, so that's that done. Now I'm up to this. So once again, stack 1. So I'm going to take stack 1. So I'm going to say set cursor, set variables, set cursor to top of stack 1. So I'm just going to take this, duplicate top of stack 1, and I'm going to pop stack 1, and I'm going to push cursor, and instead of stack 2, I'm going to put it in stack 3. So that matches up this. Taking cursor, oh sorry, I should go stack 2, not stack 3. Oh no, there is stack 2. So I've done these 2 things there. So now I'm up to this one. Cursor becomes stack 3 dot pop. So we're going to take it from stack 3, set cursor to stack 3, top of stack, stack 3. And we're going to say, we'll pop that. So we'll pop top of stack 3. And we will push the cursor to stack 2. And now I'm going to check to see how this works. So I'm pressing that so I can step through it, and I'm going to, so we're going to slow it down a little bit to start with. I can speed it up. So setting the cursor to 0, setting the stack to 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to pause this. Stack 1, stack 3 over there, stack 2 over there, and I'm going to play it again. So got that going there, got that going there, got that going to there. So now we've got to move that to there. So we will say cursor, set cursor to top of stack 1, save, push cursor to stack 3. And then we will, forgot to pop, pop from stack 1. So now we'll see this progress to the next stage. So set them all up again, clean them up, and we're going from stack 1 to stack 3, stack 1 to stack 2, stack 1 to 3, 3 to 2, and then go 1 to 3. And there we go. I think you might be able to finish the rest of it yourselves.